This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will write a program using C++ as our programming language that will ask the user to give a year, and then our program will check and determine if the given year is a leap year or not a leap year. Leap year refers to a year every 4 years. As we all know, Olympic Games is held every 4 years. Example of a leap year is year 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. This year is a leap year. Before we start writing the code, if you like this video's tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. I'm here in my dev C++ environment, so sharp include iostream using namespace std int main int year out give a year. If year modulus 4 equals 0, begin. If year percentage 100 equals 0, begin. If year $400 equals 0, console out. Year is leap year. Else not else excuse is not a leap year. We have so many condition compounded if else statement. And the program that tells the user that the program has already ended. Copy this one. Leap year checker in C++. Okay, let's just save our work, new folder, Okay, so here you have here a variable, and then the title of our program, leap year checker in C++. In this portion, it will ask the user to give a year, and then we have your conditional statement to check for leap year or not. So modulus, percentage, modulus 4, and then if it is a leap year, year is a leap year, else if it is false, is not a leap year, and then end of the program. That tells the user that the program is already been ended. So we compile and run. Checking for bugs. Mm. Well, let's check. I forgot. Okay, so the problem with this one, let us try again. The formatting, sorry. Okay, so leap year checker in C++, I think it will not display if we don't have here this library file. So stdlib.h, we're gonna have here system pos. Okay, leap year checker in C++. Let's say for example 2019, give a year. We all know 2019 is not a leap year, so 2019 is not a leap year. Okay, in the program we'll make some corrections. How we can put some correction here? Be simple. Okay, another example, year 2020. If your check class give a year 2020, 2020 is a leap year. Another example, let's say 1999. when I graduate in college, this one is not a leap year. So give a year, leap year checker in C++, give a year, 1999. 1999 is not a leap year in a program. Last example, year 2000. Leap year checker in C++, give a year 2000. 2000 is a leap year in a program. Here we go guys, we have already run testing and writing the code of a program that I wrote in C++ programming language that will ask a year, and then our program will check and determine whether the given year is a leap year or not. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Republic of the Philippines. Says, until to the next video tutorial guys, bye bye for now.